Oh, there's a few treasures. Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Take the whole bucket. Never used Stanley tools. I can never have enough 4-ways. I'll just throw that in here. That's going to be put into service right away. I don't know what those are. I don't know, just like an assortment of Danos Toolbox here. We got some Stanley, generic. That's your random Stanleys. Your random Stanley tools. Vice grip. Needle style. Those come in handy. Hair dryer, I guess. I don't know if you're removing stickers or something. Coax packaging, completely empty. There's probably some bag of tricks at the bottom. Guy that might be like pilfering through. Take the whole thing. Can't you tell I'm a scrapper? You onward. Off.